Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG2555G. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable and print out a document. So take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to this port, USB port. Then take the other end of the cable, connect it to computer. The next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop start, go to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then add a device. After you add a device, you need to look from the list Canon MG2555 series. Select on it. We'll show you that the printer is idle. You can print a test page to confirm that the printer is working. So select print test page. This is the document to show you that the printer is working. So to print document, go to File Explorer on your PC. Then go to Documents. Then you can type the document name. Double click the document to open. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. To print it out, you select print icon on top or select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side and select correct printer, Canon MG2500 series printer ready. Make sure it will show you that the printer is ready. Then you select number of copies, use up or down to select number of copies. Then select layout as portrait. We want to print all pages. Color, we want to print it in color. Print on both sides. This document is 2-page document, so I want us to print on both sides. Then select more option, the size A4, scale 100%. Then you select print, 1-page page sheet, then you select print. So we're going to print 2-sided. We're going to do this manually. This is the document printed out. The next thing to do is you need to take this paper with the printed area face at the back. Then you select start printing to print out the second page. This is the document we printed out, 2-sided. You can print this document also in black. The difference is just you need to change the color to print in black and white. So I want us to print this document in black and white. So select print icon. Then scroll down, select the color, black and white. And also I want us to print it single page each. Then you select print. Select print. So this document, we're going to print it black and white and single page each. We printed this one in color, double-sided. This is the document we printed out black and white, single page. Printed this one in color, double-sided. So this is how to connect this printer and print out a document, print from computer with a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed.